We start our demonstration by logging into the application. We log in using Facebook, and here we get the screen from Facebook where we provide our login information. When we click login, we will be logged in our application, as you can see in the header. Now we are going to search for a bar. We are going to search for Westmaal triple, and you can see that the field has autocomplete. When we click on Westmaal triple, it will be filled in into the input field. Then we will click search beer, and we will be automatically redirected to the beer page of Westmaal triple, because Westmaal triple only has one result. There are no more results. Here you can see the beer page of Westmaal triple with all the information. You can see the tags and you can see the reviews. The review is shown a short version, and you can click expand to see the entire review and all the comments. You can also leave a comment if you are logged in. Otherwise, there is no possibility to leave a comment. You can also add the beer to your favorites, and as you can see, there is also a Facebook like and share button. Now we are going to search for another beer, West Vleteren. Here is the page of West Vleteren, where you can see there are no tags. So we are going to add some tags. You can add a new tag, for example rare, because it's a rare beer. And you can also add existing tags. Then you get a list of all the tags in the systems. We are here going to add Trappist, and we will add another tag, Belgian. Yep. Now we are going to add a new review. As you can see, the score now is 4.8. And when we add a bad review, you will see that the score is less. You can see that all the fields have validation, and you get a helpful tooltip if you enter something wrong, so you can see what's wrong. Now we add the bad review, and you will see that the score goes down immediately. You can also see that the review is added to the page on the bottom, and you can also expand and leave comments on this review. Now we are going to search for bars where they have West Vleteren. The search location is automatically filled in with our current location using HTML5 geolocation. We will first search in a small radius, and we find one result. It's also shown on the map. If we search in a bigger radius, you will find two results, two bars where they have West Vleteren. You see the list and the results on the map. Now we are going to search for beer Chimay, but we are not going to enter the entire name, so there are multiple results, and when we search, we get a list of the results. We can also search for something that doesn't exist, and then we get a message that we don't find any results. As you can see, by clicking Drink Buddies, you go to the home page. Now we search for bar, the Kroeg, and here's the bar page, where you can see some information about the bar. You can see the score. When the score is changed, you can click the change score button, and you see that the graphic, the chart, is also updated. You can see a list of available beers where you can add a new beer, for example Duvel, and you will see that it is added directly to the list of beers. You can also add a comment, just like by the reviews, but only if you are logged in. You can see that also the bar page has a Facebook like and share button, and also a button to add the bar to your favorites. Now we click back to go to the home screen. Now we are going to try and add a bar that doesn't exist, and we see here no results, but there is also a button to add a new bar. Here we can add the new bar, and you can see that also these fields have the validation, just like the other four. We add a bar in Portugal, say bar, and here is the new bar page. We can see that the bar has no image, so we will add now a new image. Image is uploaded and shown immediately. We also see that there is no bar score chart. Here is the user page, where you can see the user's information and the favorite beers and bars. You can share your current location, and the system will detect with HTML5 geolocation in which bar you are. Now we are going to search for friends in the neighborhood, and you get a list of the bars with friends. You can also click a marker to see how many friends there are. In the list, you can also see a list of the friends that are in that specific bar. We also provide a web service to provide access to the data in our application. We provide a RESTful API. And you can see here a list of bars, and when we add the URL of the bar, then we get all the information about the bar, and the image is also encoded in the result. Here you can see a bar page when we are not logged in, and you cannot change the score or add a beer or comment. We are now going to change the language of our browser to Dutch, and you will see that the page is automatically, when we refresh the page, it's in Dutch. Everything is translated automatically.